Hey guys, welcome to another interesting video on the 𝐁𝐞𝐬𝐭 YouTube channel. If you're using a computer, then definitely this video is for you, because at times you might be facing an issue with drive space, especially C drive. You'll be worried about the data loss. Okay, we have a solution for this. So if you want to create a partition or want to merge two partitions, even to resize a partition, otherwise you want to delete a partition, you can do all of them with the help of a tool. So anything related to your hard disk, we can easily solve the issues very easily without the worry of data loss. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, I have opened my computer and we can see 3 drive partition here. So my C drive size is very less, which is 74.90 GB. And I want to increase the size of this. Along with this, we have got a couple of more drives, E and F. With this, we will see how we can create, merge, resize or delete the partition in this video. So first you have to download the software which I have provided in the description box. Once you click that, you will come to this page. EaseUS Partition Master is the software you have to install, and this software allows us to do all these very easily. This is free software and it also comes with a paid version with additional features. EaseUS also provides other tools as well, so you can check it out. Okay, download this and install it onto your computer. I have already downloaded it. So this is what the EaseUS Partition Master interface will look like. Here it shows the partition details, drive name, file system, drive capacity and type, primary or logical. Below also we have the same thing, and on the right side it shows the hard disk total capacity, and also we have the options to make changes to the drive. So I'll click on this, and this one is system reserved, so which we are not going to do anything. And this C drive we have 74.90 GB. So to increase the size of this, what I'm going to do is I will take some space from the F drive, because it has got 300 GB of space. I don't need that much. So if you click on a particular drive, for instance I'm going to click this C drive, you can see the drive space on the right hand panel. Alright, to increase the size, I just click this resize or move option and this window pops up. I'll close this. You can also open this window by right clicking here. So now to increase the size of this C drive from 74.90 GB to 150 GB, what I'm going to do is I'll select the drive from where I'll allocate the space from. So I'll choose F drive, as we have 300 GB of space. So we have 178 GB of available space. I just need to increase it to 150 GB. So to do that, just hold here and drag it, and when you are dragging, you can notice here that the partition size is getting increased. So also you can change the number from here. I'll make it 150. So after that we have 102.92 GB available on F drive. We have allocated 75.10 GB from F drive. After that, click on OK. Now I'll resize the E drive. So select E drive and click resize. I'll select F drive again and I'll drag it to make 150 GB for this as well. We have allocated 59.24 GB now, and the remaining 43.76 GB remains on F drive. So you can see the final partition size. Click on OK. So as soon as you click OK, you can see this thing goes here. The final step is to apply this allocated size. So click here, execute 2 operations. You have to click on apply and it shows the progress. Alright, finally we have to reboot your PC or laptop for this operation to take effect. So it took nearly 3 hours for me to complete the process. Don't do anything during this process. Let it finish the task and then you can use your system. This is the final output. So we have 150 GB of space in C drive and 150 GB on E drive and 165 on F drive. So that's it guys, hope it helped you. If you did try this, let me know in the comment section about your experience, and if you are new here, then please subscribe to this channel. I make videos on tech, digital marketing, web designing and other how-to tutorials. If you are facing any issue related to any of these topics, then you can ask me by providing detailed information about the issue. If it's possible for me, then definitely I'll make a video on that. Alright, see you in my next video. Peace out.